Hello everybody, today we make clams casino. For the ingredients we got clams, I need shallot, garlic, bacon, sweet pepper, and I need breadcrumbs. And over here I keep the water for the clam juice. Maybe you need when you got all the mix. Now I got three over here to show everybody the way I clean and I open. Now, this is the clams, you wash a little bit and you open it with a knife. And like this. After with the knife you go inside on the top and you... Now, the best thing to do, maybe you got a little shell over here when you open. And what I do, and you wash a little bit. If the clams casino, make sure to loosen up the clams. You gotta big, when you eat, you don't gotta scrape inside. That's the way I do. Now this I throw away the water. I got water over there. Make sure to open the clams with a little bowl and keep the water. Maybe when you do, you need a little water to mix all the stuff you gotta mix for the clams casino. Now I got one more. Now I want to show you something else. A lot of time it's so hard to open for the front. And what do like this. You see over here? The back, and you crack in the back. Put the knife and you open up. Okay? And make sure the clams you gotta be loose like this. When you eat like that. Really, really good. Okay, now we start with the bacon. And I cut the piece like that. I need two like this. Okay, now pick it up. I put it back on this dish. Now I need more bacon. It's for the stuff that we gotta do with the pepper, the shallot, and the garlic. And we cut it. And now this you gotta be cut a more small piece. Now we gotta do the garlic. And we chop really thin the garlic too. Now we cut the shallot. And the shallot you gotta cut it. Small pieces too, the same like I did the garlic. Okay, now we chop the sweet pepper and we slide like that. Small piece, but after you gotta be really small, and I gotta cut a cube. Now we put a little green. Okay, now we start to put the gas on the spots. I want to saute this bacon, and this bacon you gotta go really slow. If the gas, gotta be too high. I want the bacon to come nice crispy. Okay, now on this other parts I gotta saute everything. And we start to saute the bacon. Now this bacon it's chopped really small. And now you put the garlic. Now we put a shallot. Now the pepper. Now we gotta leave it cook a little more. Okay, you gotta come with the pepper nice soft. Okay, now the bacon we turn to the other side. Look how beautiful. Okay, the bacon is ready. I put right on this dish over here. I want to show you now this is the bacon, it got a good taste. And what I do, I put right over here. Alright, good. Now it's time for the breadcrumb. And we saute the breadcrumb together. Oh, it smells so good. The bacon I put over here together. Oh, really, really good. Okay, now this, it's done, and now we leave it cool off a little bit. Okay, I cool off now this, see it's a little thick, and like I say, to keep the water for the clams, and this it's, make sure to strain really good. You see how nice and clean? Okay, you gotta strain it before you use it again. And I put a little bit, and now mix everything. And give a good taste, because this it's the clams, the water. Now it's the time to stuff the clams. But on this part, you gotta go in the oven. I got a sea salt. And the sea salt, I put over here on the bottom. And we spread all over the place. Because when I put the clams, it stay right and no move. And we start like this. Each one. And I put the stuffed right on the top, like that. And each clams, you put a piece bacon right on the top, like this. And we put it right over here. Okay, now it's all full. It's the last one. And we got real open over here. Okay, baby. Oh, look at that. And now you gotta go in the oven. After I put in the oven and this, you know what I gotta do? I want a nice glass of wine. Now it's a 450 the oven. And let's go inside about 10 minutes. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Okay. Okay, 10 minutes. And let's see my Clams Casino. Oh, look how beautiful. Look how nice. I'm so happy because now, now I got the Clams Casino. With this wine, it goes really good. Okay, now I want to test. And we take one, two. It's okay, I take it two for now, but after, no worry about it. And we need a nice fork. And let's see. Ooh, oh, look at the clams, are nice. Really, really good. Salute e cin cin devi bare, cin cin. Salute. Make this, it's delicious.